How to deactivate or delete your Instagram account. First off, you need to tap on your profile, then tap on the 3 stroke at the top, then head over to account center, manage account, then tap on the account you want to manage, then account deactivation or deletion. Then select either you want to deactivate the account or delete the account. And if you did not see manage account, you are in the old layout. So if you see personal details below account settings, tap on personal details, then tap on account ownership and control, then tap on deactivation or deletion, then select the account you want to deactivate or delete. Once we are here, you either select delete account or deactivate account, then you tap continue, then continue again, then enter your password to verify. When you deactivate your account, you can activate it back when you log back into it with your username and password. If you had a ton of value from this video, consider subscribing for future videos.